Guys, today we'll talk about how can you add city on your app, on your SweetMeet app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings. So just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. So when it's going to show for you like this, you click here on search settings here. You come to next step, you come here to city, click on it here. Then here you enter any city. So then here just go down. So here add any of your city here. I'm going to add your here to the city, then you click on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.